Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you guys how to make a basic structure of a city. So basically, you have to first take a plane tool and just drag it on top of the grid like this. Just do it like this. I need something in this, and then if your grid is not visible, then it will be like this bottom will be there. Or if you have four views, then you just come to this view. So just click on it, just mouse one tap, click on this, and then press space bar. And then when you come over here, just do a right click. One second. And now you have to come to face, and you select this face. You make it extrude, which is over here, extrude option, or you right click and then you first shift right click, and then there's an option of extrude face. You do that, you press W next. Tab gets it over here. First press R to scale it down a little bit till this point. I'm just kind of making a basic structure of a house. So, and you put it up on like this, on top of like this, and then after that you can scroll down with the help of the mouse with the center scroll wheel, and then you press alt. You can do that as well. You can move it, you can press the right mouse button, move it like this, and then press again on this face. May press G for repeat command, then press W, then increase the size again like this, and then press G again, press W again, and increase it like this, then press R, then scale it down, and this makes the top of the house. So that's it for the first episode. So hope you guys like the first episode or series, the first part of the first series. So this is a series which I make a city. So this is the first part. So in this first part we have made a basic structure of house. So in the next part I'll show you guys how to do the next thing. So I'll catch you guys in the next part. Peace.